What's up guys, Sean here. In today's video I'll show you guys how to download and install Ffmpeg on Windows 10. Now for those of you guys who don't know what Ffmpeg is, it's a really good command line tool for working with videos. And I plan to make more videos about Ffmpeg, and this is going to be the first video in many videos about Ffmpeg. So now there are two ways which you can install it. So the first way is by using a package manager like Scoop or Chocolatey. So now the first, so I have PowerShell open right here. Now since I have PowerShell open, I can just type Scoop install Ffmpeg, and that should install Ffmpeg. Now I have installed it before, so the installation should be fast. Now if you haven't done it before, I think it will take some time for you guys. I think it's about 32.7 MB or something. No, not 32, 82.7 MB or something. So it's a medium big file, so you can see how much time it will take. So my installation is finished, so now I can just clear the screen and I'll type Ffmpeg, and if everything works and if you see this, that means you have installed it properly. And since we use Scoop, it should have installed properly. So now we'll just clear this. Now the next way you can install is you can go to the site and install. So you can just go to the site, Ffmpeg site, and I'll just go back. So this is, if you type ffmpeg.org, this is where you reach, and then you can just click download, and you can either compile the source code yourself, or there's or there are people who have already compiled it, so you can download it from them. So since we are on Windows, we can just click for Windows, and there are two options here. I think one is by gyan.dev and another is by btbn. So I'm just going to download from the first one. You can download from the second one. It's in a GitHub page. You can I'll just open both so you can show you guys. So this is the second one by btbn, and this is by this is gyan.dev, and I'm just going to download from here. Now if you're really confused, there are actually offer you 4 variants, and if you're confused, you can just read through. So there's Git full, which is built from the master branch, and they have a large set of the libraries. And then there's Git essentials. This is also built from master branch, but they have only the commonly used libraries. And then there's again release full and release essentials. Now you guys can notice there's full and essential. So basically full offers you all the large set of libraries, and essentials just offers you the commonly used libraries. Now I'm going to download the full. I'm going to download release full. Now depending on your choice, you can download what you want. So I'm going to go with release full. So we can scroll more down and you'll see links, and yeah, so this is our links. This is for the Git full and Git essentials. But since we're going to download release, so we're going to go to release here, and you can see here Ffmpeg release release full.7z. So I'm just gonna click that, and the download should begin. And it's a big file for me, to take time, so I'll be back after the installation is finished. Okay, so my installation is now done and it's fully completed, and I've already extracted it. Now for you guys, it'll be just the 7z file. So you just have to right click on it, and then you'll see the option 7zip if you use 7zip. If you use, I think, WinZip or something, it's gonna be different, but I use 7zip, so you can just click on that and extract to Ffmpeg, and that's the entire folder name. And so that's how I extracted it here. And if I go into that, I can go into bin, and then there'll be ffmpeg.exe. Now what you have to do is you have to click here, and you have to copy the path to this file. So you can just copy this, click this and select all, and add it to path. Now I've told you guys how to add things to path. You just have to search here and edit the system environment variables, and when you click that, you have to go to environment variables, and then you have to go to path and you have to add it. Now I'll put this in the description so you guys can refer to that and add this to your path. Okay, so once you've added it to path, all you have to do is you have to open up a command prompt or PowerShell window. So I'm going to use PowerShell in Windows terminal, and you just have to type in ffmpeg And if you see this, that means everything is installed properly, and that's how you install ffmpeg from the website. So I showed you guys two ways to install ffmpeg, one through scoop and one with the website. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.